What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So I know I haven't posted a video in a long time, but it's for good reason. We're actually going up to Denver. Currently, I'm sitting in the back seat because Ben's annoying and took the front seat. Even though I'm 6'4", like you can't put the 6'4" guy. But Ben put the guy in the back that's 6'4", but it's okay. So I'm with Dan, Ben, and we're heading up to Denver to get a new car, and I think you guys are gonna be really, really excited about it. Now, I've hinted at getting a new car on my Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me, make sure you go over there and follow me so you can stay up to date. And I actually went ahead and sold my Civic last night. I'm sure you guys aren't upset that I'm selling the Civic because it's a Civic. I was gonna do a build on it, but I just kind of fell out of love with the idea. So now we're going to get something. To give you guys a hint, it's all-wheel drive, it's turboed, and it's an automatic. I know, it's an automatic, but I'm getting an automatic for a certain reason that I can't tell you guys yet. So stay tuned, we're going to get the car. I'm really excited, got my coffee in hand. I'm with the boys, so let's go get a new car. Ben.
You do the porn. Hey.
Hey, big boy.
Get my good side.
I don't think it's a porn.
You have no good side. Alright guys, so we got the truck and trailer. We just pulled up. I saw my it's just sitting in the driveway covered in snow. I'm so excited. Oh, I just gave away what I'm getting. Crap. You guys know now. No surprises. So we're here. We're gonna make sure the car checks out, starts, and at least drives onto the trailer because it does have a slight issue currently. The transmission is bad and it's going to need some work, so I got a pretty good deal on it, and it's gonna be fun because you guys get to follow along with the rebuild series, and then afterwards I'm gonna have a really, really fun daily. So let's go check out the car and see how it is. Oh, here she is, guys. Let's go. All right guys, so here is the new baby. I'm so excited. You guys already know I've got the Evo 8, that's not going anywhere. I did sell the Civic, and now we have an Evo 10 MR. I am so excited. Now this car only has an exhaust and a tune, and other than that, it's completely stock. It's got the really nice BBSs. There's a few paint imperfections that we're gonna have to clean up. And the biggest thing about the Evo currently is that the transmission is bad. Now you guys know this comes with a automatic, it's the SST, and it's missing 2nd, 4th, and 6th. So we're gonna tear into the transmission. We're gonna do a full rebuild series here on the channel. I got a really good price on this Evo. Stay tuned for next video because I'll break down how much I paid, how much the transmission's gonna cost, and show you guys how you guys can get a really nice car if you're willing to fix it up. So welcome the new car to the channel. I'll have an Evo 8 and an Evo 10 MR, and this is gonna be my daily driver, and I'll have the Evo 8 as my race. I'm so excited to document this build for you guys. I can't even describe it. So, red Evo 10 MR. It's got the Rockford Fosgate inside. So it's got the Rockford Fosgate. It's got the beautiful leather Alcantara Recaros. This thing is so nice. So I'm so excited. No more Civic, 2 Evos, super stoked. Finally made it over to my boy Austin's house because he's gonna be the one to help fix the Evo. We're gonna drop it here for the next few days till we can drop the transmission and actually see what's going on. So we're getting it off the trailer now. I'm so excited. It's kind of weird buying a car that's broken, but it's gonna be really fun for you guys to follow along with. So we're unloading it now and parking it here, and I have another Evo. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get this thing up and running so I can have a nice daily. It'll be so much fun. Almost. It sounds good, dude.
Nice mild exhaust.
It's not too loud. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this thing. So it's the MR, so I've got the Rockford Fosgate. Look at this. Ooh, we got views on views. I'm so excited. And we've got nice little flappy paddles. I'm so excited. It is an automatic, but I promise you guys, there's a reason I went with automatic. Okay, I still have my man card. I'm so hyped. Let's see how loud this thing is. Oh. Oh, it even sounds good. Can you believe it? Dude, the interior is so, everybody complains, but this interior is like beautiful.
I'm ready to rip it, dude.
Watch me sell my Evo 8. I'm just kidding, I won't ever sell my Evo 8. But look guys, look, I got an Evo 10. This is so sick. So yes, as you guys can tell, transmission service required. Trans is skipping 2nd, 4th, and 6th. We're gonna open the transmission up. We're gonna try and do everything ourselves. So hopefully you guys are excited for that process. But yes, this car has 116,000 miles. I got an insanely good deal on it. And I now have 2 Evos. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun and I cannot wait to document the build. And look at these seats. Well, I know I've showed you a little bit of the car, but here is my brand new Evo 10 MR. Well, not brand new, but new to me. Oh my gosh, do you love it? Ben's on the channel, guys. You know Ben, he's got the Evo 8.
A little peanut butter and jelly right now.
Little peanut butter and jelly? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I can't believe that thing is mine. Now that it's like here, I'm just so excited to document the build and do all the fun mods to it. It's got just an exhaust and an intake and a little bit of a tune, but we're gonna retune it because you already know. Bye Evo, we'll be back soon. What do you think of it, Dan?
Oh man, I'm jealous.
Are you? You like it?
I love it.
Yeah, so it's still stock turbo. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll miss you. I'll be back soon, Evo. Now don't worry guys, I know a lot of you guys are worried that I sold the Evo 8. Don't you worry, she's still sitting here right in the garage. She's still happy. Never, ever going to sell this car, so don't even worry. This is now going to be my daily driver until the Evo 10's all fixed up, and then we will replace this as a daily with another Evo. There's something about Evos that just speak to me. I love the cars to death. So let's get a nice little cold start on the Evo. Oh, love this thing. Guys, I'm in the Evo 8. I am so excited to have a new project car here on the channel. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to see the build on the Evo 10. Like I said, it is automatic. It is having transmission issues currently, so I'm really excited to dive into the transmission, see what the issues are, see if we can get it back to running condition without taking it to Jack's Transmissions. Worst case scenario, I'll take it to Jack's, I'll have them rebuild the trans, and it'll be all good to go. But I'm hoping with the help of Austin that we'll be able to get it running. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Let me know what you think of the new project car. Let me know what you guys want to see me do to the Evo after we fix the transmission, because like I said, all it has currently is a tune and a exhaust. So there's a lot more we can do to the Evo. I'm really excited to have this car as a daily. The interior is so nice. It's such a sick car. So if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, stay tuned for a ton more videos on this Evo 8 and the new Evo 10. And I will see you guys in the next video.
I like everything about you.